In October of 2020, Google implemented a new tracking system, and I'm going to show you in under 5 minutes how to implement it into your Squarespace or Showit website. Hi, I'm Becca, and if you like learning about Squarespace and Showit, follow, click the subscribe button, do all the things. All right, let's get started. So first off, you need to log into your Google Analytics. You can just search Google Analytics, and you want to figure out if you have already set up a tracking ID. So let me close out of all these other things I've got going on here. If you go to down to the settings, you'll go to properties, and you will see if you have your property set up. Yours will probably look like this. So you have that UA number if you've already set it up. And in Showit, I'm going to show you how to get the next number, but you just simply go into site settings, third party. This is where your UA number that you probably have already put in, and this is where you're going to put that measurement ID or the new tracking number. So just keep that in mind. We'll come back to this, like I said, and I'll show you how to do it in Squarespace. It's a little bit more complicated. So that is Showit. In order to get that new G number, I'm actually recorded myself because #life is complicated. So I'm going to show you this video. It's like Inception here. It'll create the new property. And once you go ahead and go through the whole setup process, I'm not going to do it, you then will get a code that says G-whatever. Okay, so that's what your screen will probably look like. Obviously, I've already set it up, so I already have the G code. The measurement ID is what they're calling it. So the reason that they created this is the UA code was for desktop. The G code is now for mobile and apps. They probably will transition to just that G code. So let's get it in your website so you can start the tracking. So once you have that, and I have all of this like step-by-step laid out in the blog post, which I'll link. So that may be helpful for you to take a peek at. You want to get that code. Like I said, it's right there. With Showit, it's super easy. We already showed that. With Squarespace, they make our lives a little bit difficult. So I'm going to go into Squarespace, and if you go to settings and then advanced and then external API code, this is where you probably have put your UA code if you already have it. I want you to delete it out of there, and we have to add a code injection. So delete it from there. If you have a personal plan, this is not going to work. So just leave your UA code and hope Squarespace catches up to the times. So let's go now. I wrote step down because it was a little complicated. So you visit Google Analytics. You need to go to property column, and let's see if we can find it. Step assistant. Okay. Whoops. Okay, so then if you go to that, you can scroll, and we're going to go to tag installation. And we're trying to get the code that has the UA and the G code. So click on that. You can go down. Again, here's that G measurement code, but we want the full thing. So if you go down to, oops, not connected tags, my bad. Right here, global site tag. Copy that, and then it's just a matter of putting it into your Squarespace website. So at that point, we want to put it in, and I'm going to, again, add all this to the blog. So then we just need to put it into the code injection, and I would probably say put it in the header injection. So let's do advanced code injection header. Oops, we were already there. Advanced code injection, and you're going to add it right here to the header. Just copy or just paste that code that you already have. Under 5 minutes, we did it. Whoop, whoop.